Hi there and welcome to the first video tutorial Canon Camera Craft. What I'm going to do in this tutorial is I'm just going to try and show you how I went from the four images of the cards, as you can see in the earlier tutorial, to create the image with the four lines visible in the one image. So you have the light trails from each of the images visible all in one image. We start by going to File, and then we're going to go Open, and here are the four images that we're going to open. So these are the four original images from our camera. So we're just going to click Open, and we have all four images here open on the screen together. Now we'll bring up image number one. Doesn't matter which one you start with. If we start with image number one, you can see here this is our background layer, so that's your actual image as you brought it in. But what we're going to do now is we're going to put all the other images in on top of this one image, and to do that we're just going to go up here and click on this select tool, this one here with the pointing the arrow on it, and we're going to grab this image by clicking on the left mouse button and pull it across and drop it in on top of our image number one. Now, if I'm just going to change the opacity here for a minute, just to show you that, see, the two images actually haven't come in correctly on top of each other. If I just turn off the top one and turn on, you can see they're not lined up correctly. So, to sort that problem out, I'm just going to go back. I'm going to undo that, drag across. So I'm back to my original image now again, and we're going to start again. And this time when we're dragging it across, we're going to click with the left mouse button and hold the shift key. The shift key is the key down the bottom left hand corner of your keyboard, just over the control key. So we're going to hold the shift key and hold the left mouse button at the same time, and then drag on this image across, and you can see the plus sign in over the our first image, and then let go of the mouse button. And now if I just change the opacity here for a second, you can see that the cards are perfectly lined up. So we'll do the next image now. Go to here again, the left mouse button and the shift key, holding both of them together, pull this across over the other image and then let go. Then we're finished with that one, and now finally we're image number 4 again. Press down the shift key and the left mouse button, pull it across over our main image and let go. Now click on our main image number 1. Now you can see we've gone from original background layer is the one here, and we actually have 3 new layers after coming in on top of those. You can notice that they come in automatically, you don't have to do anything. Once you pull it across, it comes in as a new layer in over the background image, and we can turn off those layers, and this is our original background image. But you notice as I turn each of the layers on, you can't see the layer underneath it. Now you can change the opacity if you want, just to let some of it through, but that doesn't work very well either. So to allow the light from the layers underneath to show through, what next we're going to do is we're going to select our layer number 3, and we're going to go up here and we're going to change the settings here, and we're going to select lighten. Lighten is this one here, and just click on that, and now suddenly you can see this layer underneath the layer number 3. Now we're going to do the very same here. Select layer number 2 just by clicking on it with the left mouse button, then go up here, click on this to get our drop down menu, come down to here, pick lighten from the list, and there we go. Again, now down to layer number 1, select that by clicking with your left mouse button, back up, select from the drop down menu and pick lighten again, and there we have all 4 lines. And you can actually turn off these lines then if you wanted, so you can just view this way you're seeing the bottom 2 layers, because these 2 have been turned off. I can turn these back on, and I can turn off the bottom 2 layers. And it's going down this is fine. To turn it back on, you can turn it maybe to one side, so you have all the lines going down one side. So any combination you want, you can just, by turning layers on or off here, you can change your image to suit your own preferences. Once you're happy with it, and I like the one with the all 4 layers turned on, So you can go up here then and click up here at the top of your computer, along the top bar, go to layer, click on that, and then you get this drop down menu. Come down along the drop down menu then right down to flatten image. And what this then does is it's going to flatten all those 4 layers down into one image. So if you notice, this has changed here from 4 back down to 1. So now it's all one image. Now we can just go to File and go, then click on Save As from the list. And now we're going to give our image, our final image, a name. We're just going to call it Cards 1. And then we're going to click Save. And then it just asks us for the quality that we want. And 12, we're happy with that. And we click OK. And there you have your final image. From all 4 images, as you can see, all the lines are visible in this one image now. And that's how you create the image as per the tutorial. I hope you can make sense of that. It's my first attempt at video tutorial, and I'd be happy to receive any comments and or advice. So thanks very much for listening, and hope you have a go yourself.